So most probably inside spin. One, two, three, 4 rails. He needs to clear the 7 para dun sa orange 5. Tingnan natin Iyon, 1, 2, 3. Needs to clear the 7.
It will, AJ.
Great job. Nicely done. Michael Kinay on the other hand. Umaasa pa rin makabalik. Pero parang same na rin. Inside pa rin ata to. Okay. 4 rails.
Almost the same shot para dun sa 4.
Everyone is enjoying the action, especially Dennis Orculio na kasama natin ngayon sa loob ng arena.
Yes.
Anton to get 11 games for his team.
Warning na nga dito ang Manila MSW Mavericks courtesy of that win from the Dragon, Anton Raga.